Child abuse is when a child under the age of 18 in Alabama is intentionally harmed or neglected. Someone's not meeting the basic needs for this child. There's 4 types of child abuse. There's physical abuse, sexual abuse, emotional abuse, and neglect. Some of the signs of physical abuse can be bruising or marks on a child that you're not expecting to be on them. A child that is having trouble walking or sitting. A lot of times physical abuse is covered up by clothing. So if it's extremely warm weather and there's a child that's got on long sleeves and a jacket, and sometimes that kind of makes you think, is something being covered up here? Sexual abuse is, you might see a child with a new onset of fears. They're spending too much time with someone. You're seeing a lot of gifts that are being given to a particular child. They might be having trouble sitting or walking as well. So a lot of times the signs and symptoms can be signs and symptoms of many other things, but if you see a pattern, then that's something that might make you be concerned. What children need to be aware of is that there is a plan of action. Just like they are taught what to do if there's a fire, they're taught what to do if we're having a tornado. They're even taught now what to do if there's an intruder in their school. So we need to give them those tools as well. As adults, we need to know it's our responsibility to keep kids safe. It's not the kids' responsibility. So we need to let them know they can communicate with adults. We need to listen to them if they're saying they're uncomfortable in a certain situation, don't want to be around someone. If you suspect abuse, you should report it. You don't have to prove it, it's just a suspicion. You need to call your local Department of Human Resources, or if you think a child's in immediate danger, call 911.